Meet Alex. At 18 years old, Alex had almost no money, no degree, and no special connections. Every day, he watched people his age posting luxury cars, expensive vacations, and flashy lifestyles online. It felt like everyone was getting rich, except him. Then he discovered one simple truth that changed everything. You don't need to become a millionaire first. You only need to earn your first $10,000. Because that first $10,000 isn't just money. It's proof that making money is a skill, not luck. And once you know how to make it once, you can repeat the process again and again until it becomes real wealth. So if I had to start from zero today, this is exactly how I'd make my first $10,000. Step 1, stop chasing quick money. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing shortcuts. Crypto, day trading, the next get-rich-quick trend. The problem? These methods usually require money, experience, and a lot of luck. If you're starting from zero, you don't need investments. You need income. Your first goal isn't multiplying money. It's creating a reliable way to earn it. Step 2. Choose the right income source. There are 4 realistic ways to make your first $10,000. Option 1. Sell local services. This includes things like car washing, photography, haircuts, fitness coaching, cleaning, delivery services. The biggest advantage? You can get paid immediately. The downside? Your income depends on your time. Once you're fully booked, you can't earn much more. Option 2. Sell local products. You could sell handmade crafts, home-baked goods, artwork, fresh produce. It's a great way to earn money doing something you enjoy. But profits are often small, and finding enough customers takes time. Option 3. Sell products online. This includes drop shipping, print on demand, clothing brands, digital products. Now, your customers aren't limited to your city. Anyone in the world can buy from you. The trade-off? It usually takes weeks or months before you see consistent income. Option 4. Sell online services. My favorite. This is the fastest option I'd choose today. Examples include video editing, thumbnail design, copywriting, social media management, graphic design, running ads. Why? Because you combine 2 powerful advantages. You get access to clients worldwide, and your profit margins are much higher than selling products. You can literally start making money from your laptop with almost no upfront investment. Step 3. Build a high-income skill. Once you've chosen a service, focus on these 4 rules. 1. Solve expensive problems. Businesses happily pay people who help them get more customers, increase sales, save time, grow faster. The bigger the problem you solve, the more you can charge. 2. Sell results, not hours. Don't say, I edit videos. Instead say, I help businesses get more views, more customers, and more sales. People don't buy your time. They buy the results you create. 3. Let clients find you. Don't spend all your time chasing customers. Post your work online. Share before and after edits. Show your designs. Document your progress. One great post can attract clients for months. 4. Be reliable. This is where most people fail. Deliver on time. Communicate clearly. Stay organized. Clients don't just pay for talent. They pay people they can trust. Being reliable is often more valuable than being the most talented person in the room. What to do after you reach $10,000? Here's where many people make a huge mistake. They buy expensive clothes, luxury watches, new cars, trying to look rich. Instead, Use your money to build wealth. Keep an emergency fund. Invest consistently. Let your money start working for you. Because wealthy people don't spend every dollar they earn. They invest it to create even more income. Conclusion. Your first $10,000 won't change your life because of the money. It will change your life because of what it proves. It proves that making money is a learnable skill. And once you've learned that skill, no one can take it away from you. So stop waiting for the perfect opportunity. Start building the skills that create income. Because your first $10,000 could be the beginning of everything. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe for more practical wealth-building content, and share this video with someone who's ready to take the first step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.